Hi friends, this video I'm just making primarily with the perspective of giving a monthly outlook on the Nifty and the Bank index, because my understanding had been short, which I had been recommending all along, right? And the only thing is now probably some offshoots of a possible correction has started coming in. One of the major ones probably will be US dollar index, right? That is something which has seen a consistent underperformance. I'll not say underperformance, but it's like at 92.5 is something which is the base, which has been there for last 6-7 years, right? So that is something which has broken for the first time, and dollar index is consistently trading below that number, right? So that is one impact. I'm saying why, because USD is practically the base for one, surely the trade world over, right? 60-70% of the world trade is in USD. In addition, USD impacts everything, starting from say gold or treasuries or metals or stocks or anything, right? So that can be one of the basic questions, right? And in addition, astrologically, things are changing. One thing which has changed was on 14th morning, 14th of November at 6 a.m., which was Mars getting into direct motion. Whenever Mars gets into direct motion, it actually gives you the logic, because Mars is logic. Okay, so once it gets into a retrograde motion, that is the time people actually start talking about a lot of illogical things, right? And once it again gets back into the normal position, right? That is the time people actually start logically thinking about things, right? So same thing holds true for economy as well. In addition, Jupiter is moving into Capricorn, which is going to be tomorrow, right? Tomorrow at around 3, I guess, 2:33 India time, right? 2:33 India time. So that is something which is again going to get into a kind of, because there are multiple combinations going forward, right? The only thing I'm saying is at the moment, please be cautious on the market, right? Even if you want to take positions, right? Take positions, but they have to be hedged. But I personally recommend taking some long positions out, right? Then probably you may be a bit net short over a period of time. This is not going to be a sharp kind of correction. This is going to be a gradual correction, right? And which is going to last for 2-3 months, 4 months time, right? In addition, fundamentally as well, because I'll say fundamental, obviously, I don't see, because if you look at the March 2020 number, the index was, Indian index was around 12,400 was a high, right? And this time we have already broken 12,900 technically, right? So if you see, have the fundamentals improved beyond from your March 2020 till now? I guess they have actually deteriorated, right? So that is again a fundamental call, but in addition, technically also, if you see, right, things that not been looking good. Normally, the month which is December is a month for profit booking for a lot of funds, because the one with the accounting calendar, which is December to December, January to December, right? So there's a very high possibility they're going to be profit booking, possibly, right, delivery based selling. That may be one of the causes, right? So my understanding, please be very, very cautious in the market, and albeit be my personal, I'm been short, which had been disclosed to a lot of people, right? I had been short, full short, effective 13th of November, right? Before that, obviously, we have taken certain hedge positions, but now I personally feel the trend is clear, right? It's going to be taking time. My only request is, please take positions as per your risk appetite, right? Because you need to assume that probably you may be required to roll it over, right? Roll it over in the sense that maybe next month, maybe even January as well. I don't see that happening, but obviously in terms of risk metrics, you need to always plan for those things, right? Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. Bye.